And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this handheld vacuum. This is the HV-C10. Has a HEPA filter, 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner and air duster. So essentially you can kind of reverse this and use it to blow air to like clean out your keyboard or dust your TV, video games, etc. The model number there, some of the specs there: smart control, powerful suction and blowing in one, an LED display, and then the vacuum and blowing mode, as it's mentioned, is 2-in-1. So let's cut this plastic. Slide the top off. So here is the packaging this comes in, which is pretty darn nice. Nothing else in that. So this is a nice case. Has a nice zipper all the way around it. It's even curved. I like that. So, oh wow, very nice. So here's like some of the accessories. So these are for the air duster. Well, you know, you can direct wherever you may need. And then this is actually the side for the little vacuum. So you got a little filter in there. You're able to put this on and it vacuums whatever you may need. Also, instruction manual, of course. And this is an included USB-C cable to charge up the battery. This is another one for the vacuum, another adapter. You'll just be able to attach that to here. Now you've got this if you need it. Nice choice. And then lastly, the actual device. So this is it here. Let that off. Very nice. Wow. So that's essentially what it looks like. If you look back here, you've got a little spot for a strap, which is good. If you want to use that, you need your own. Your USB-C port, and then here's your power button and your dial for the speed. Now, to turn it on, of course, just hold your power button here. And this is suction. And this is the control speed of the suction. So essentially you just use whichever side you need to use. So if you need the air, you just pop this on over here. And of course, if you need the other one, you just pop it on over there. So that'll essentially do it for this HV-C10 handheld vacuum. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.